All right, we are shopping with discounts. We're going to find the cost of items and then apply a discount. And I'm going to show you how to use your calculator, your Desmos calculator here. This is a wonderful, wonderful tool. It makes this really, really easy. So let's go ahead and get started. Mitzi buys three shirts costing $24 each. She also buys a $120 jacket. The store she's shopping in has a 30% discount for everything, for all items. How much will she pay? Well, you could just start going 3 times 24 plus 120. I'm going to go ahead and call this my cost. C equals, my cost is going to be 3 times 24, and then I'm adding in a $120 jacket. So your cost is $192. And then your discount amount, I'm going to go ahead and go D equals because I'm going to figure out the discount. And then we're going to go 30% of the cost. Now you could type in 192, or you could let the variables do the work for you. 30% of C. And then from there, now you could go 192 minus 57.6, but to figure out your sale price, you could just go C minus D, your cost minus your discount amount, and you get 134.40. So let's see if that all checks out. Here's the traditional way of doing it. You would go 3 times 24 plus 120, you get 192. 30% of 192 is 57.60, and then cost minus discount, 192 minus 57.60, it does work. Let's go ahead and clear this and do another one. We're going to do 3 of these. So let's do the next one. Pasha buys 2 jackets that cost $145 each, and also 4 t-shirts that cost $35 each. She gets a 25% discount on the entire purchase. How much will she have to pay? So I'm going to go ahead and go cost equals, and I'm going to go ahead and go, let's see, 2 jackets. So 2 times 145. Then I'm going to add on the 4 t-shirts. Those cost $35 each. What's really cool is that this calculator knows order of ops. It knows to multiply first and then add those results. So I get $430. My discount is going to be 25% of that $430. I'm going to go ahead and call it C since we said C is equal to $430. So I'm going to put a C here. And then we can go 430 minus 107.50 or C minus D, and we get 322.50. Makes life real easy. Let's see if this all checks out. We multiplied, and added. We get the 430. 25% of 430 is this. 430 minus 107.50. C minus D gives you the 322.50. Really awesome tool here. I'm going to go ahead and clear it out. And we're going to look at our last problem here. Mr. H buys a bucket of fried chicken for $18. 2 sides of beans and rice for $4.50 each. And then an order of French fries for $4.75. Getting hungry thinking about this one. He has a coupon for a 20% discount on the cost. How much will he pay? Well, to figure out the cost, I'm going to go 1 bucket of chicken. So you could do 1 times 18, but that's too much work. Just say 18. 2 sides of beans and rice. You're going to go 2 times $4.50 plus an order of fries, $4.75. To figure out our discount, we're going to do 20% of the cost, 20% of C. And then we're going to go cost minus discount amount, C minus D, and we get the 25.40. Let's see if that's really what we get. We've got the 31.75 over here. And then we're going to do 20% of that. We get the 635. That's our discount. And then we're subtracting off the discount, and we do get that. Cool. That's about it. I hope this helps. Best of luck to you.